Hey guys, hey family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. This is my January garden. Still, hey, collard greens still coming along. Cabbages over here. Everything, 90% of my plants are now in the greenhouse, okay? In my main greenhouse. We got greens over here. Have I gotten over here to organize this table over here? No, not yet. It's like organized where I can find things. No one else can. Here are more collards. They're doing well. I harvested some for Christmas and for New Year's, and we still got some leaves are growing here. Over here I have a cabbage trying to form a little head right here. It's getting a little crusty right here, but see how the leaves are crusty right here? But yeah, it's forming a head. So that's a good sign. Same thing with over here. Over here, yeah, they're all doing pretty well. They're all like getting set up. And little greens over here. So yeah, so this is a very positive spot for them. They're like this one right here is forming a head. So they like it in here, so I'll keep them in here. Same thing, I've snipped off celery for my meals over the holidays. Still got some growing, so this is gonna be like the fridge, you know, you go out and get some stuff right outside and don't have to go to the grocery store. Here are my figs. They're still holding on to some leaves, and you know, it's January, but it's kind of warm in here. So springtime, they'll be outside. Same with this one here. Okay, so when it's really, really cold, I close up my greenhouse. And when it's a nice day, 50s or 60s, I'll open up the, you know, the window here and let some air flow through. Still needs airflow. Okay, and cleaned out everything. Hubby has garlic going in there, that's all. Any extra dirt that I have, I'm putting it in this bed. You know, cleaned out any, you know, roots and make sure there was no pests or anything in there. So just, you know, getting this bed's ready for spring. My bok choy grew so well, but I just when it really got cold, I stopped. I didn't open this greenhouse up, so I didn't like get in there to water it. So I could have made them bounce back, but I'm gonna go on and I let them go. You see these pots here. So in the spring, I'm gonna start bok choy again. I'm gonna put them in bigger pots, and we're gonna really do it right. Because this year was my first time doing bok choy, and I was really trying to test out the seeds. So the seeds were viable, and I love the plants. I love how fast they grow. So bok choy is going to be a staple. And once I get my flow of bok choy, I probably will only do a few like real cabbages like these. I will do Napa and I will do bok choy. And so the cold frames are good. Then I put a couple, I had some small collard greens that I up potted. I put them here. So they'll stay here. And then if it gets, you know, freezing weather, I'll just drape them. A lot of the wind will be blocked by these cold frames, and then I'll just cover them and see how they do. So that's how this is very manageable for me. Everything is going well. So yeah, I'm loving it. So cleared out this raised bed here. So she'll be good. I don't know how much I'm going to use that this year, but we'll see. I might. And then my bench. Oh, this is coming in so handy right here. Loving it. Yes, coming in really handy right here too. Okay, so that is my 5-minute garden tour update. And I couldn't do it as successfully without a quality greenhouse. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.